What's up, friends and family? I think we've got an air leak. I forgot to hit record when we first started here. But yeah, we're hooking up now to the mixer. So what I've got to do is I've got to pull her out. I just can't get the angle I want on her to get my forks set right. I don't hear any unusual air leaks. Made my truck angry, so let's figure out what's going on. Gotta find my mittens. There they are. Alright. So as you can see, I just don't have them even. I mean, I'm sure it'll be fine. It'd be fine, but I like to get them in between the hashes. I'm not hearing any major air leaks. I do hear one in here. Oh, yeah, that'll do it right there. Okay, doesn't have a darn toot and brake release, so that will do it. What'll be the issue? Sick, bro. Sick, bro. Alright, let's figure out what we want to do first.
Do you have a Cajun bolt attached to you? Yes, you do. Groovy. In the booty.
Now let's hope I've got some charged at batteries. Alright, where'd I pee? Over there. Okay, we're good. No, wait, no, it's right here. We're good. We're good. We're just gonna sit in a little bit. Alright. Well, it's been a minute, guys. I hope y'all are doing well. I hope that your friends and family are doing well. I hope you're happy. Come on now. There we are. There we are, mate. There we are. Just takes a little bit of doing. Oh, in case you guys missed it, this is my new tattoo. It says baked beans. I believe the exact translation is roasted beans, which is still okay. Oh my cow. Oh, this one's gonna be a doozy, my friends. She's a little dirty. Alright. Alright, just get Cajun bolt in. Got spit on it a little. Okay. Feed it in there. Just like so. Twist and turn. And then we'll give pause for loud noises. Well, it's not going very far. I don't think that's dang near enough. Not even close. Give her the beans! Do you believe in magic? And a young girl's hurt. This one doesn't have a Cajun bean. And it smells like a fart. It's magic. These tires have seen better days. This is gonna be a back road tower, boy. You gotta be me. I don't have enough cage pins. This wheel isn't even tight on here. Oh, I wish I wish they didn't just half these back together. All right. I guess the next step is start taking apart until it frees up. So I know they have a slack adjuster on them. Now we can loosen. That should free them up. There is a slack adjuster. I should be able to loosen that, and it should completely pull the brakes off one. So we're gonna try that. And I believe it is a loosen type of thing. All right, let's find out together. Oh, funny guy, huh? Real funny guy. Dirty, dirty, lefty loose. Right? The question is did that work? I don't. Does not sound like it did. Let me see if I can find some caging pins first before I go through all that hassle. I've got some caging pins. I'll see if I can run those through and see if I even did anything. See if I freed them up. Well, at least it ain't raining, boys. These tires are really not good. I have to tie up this back axle. Those front ones should be fine since they don't have tires. Oh. That's making sounds, boy. It's the sound of silence. Through the night I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. Sounds good to me. Let's go to the other side. Let's go grab one more caging pin just to be sure. Hello? Goodbye. Hello. Thank you. OMG hags. Stop it. Get some help.
Stop it. Get some help.
Mental institutional help. Thank you. I feel like I did a lot of work for no reason. Like, I have caging pins. That is something I own. And, hello? I guess I just chose not to use them because I'm special. Alright, let's see if I did it. Alrighty then. Alright, I think I got them all released. Let's find out. So that one is not. The back one is. The back one is for sure released. On this side. Now let's check the other side. I may need to go some more on that one. This one's for sure released, and these two have got to be released because they didn't drag. Okay, so I need to go some more on the front one here, but before I do that, since I know it's locked, we're gonna reset my forks real quick. Okay. Now we're gonna kick it over to the right just a hair. Try and get this as center as possible so our job can be as easy as possible. Just like that. Alright, let's try that. Allegedly. Okay. Now for the next one. Oh, she looking minty. All right. Oh, you son of. Forward just a touch. Okay. That's money. That's money right now. That's freaking money. Alright, ups a daisy. Okay, we're free balling now. We're free bird, yeah. We're done with the brake system. Alright, that's what we want right there. Because then I can shove this sticker up in the head. It's in your head. In your head. Zombie. Zombie. Alright, that should be good. Let's shoot the other side. That's right height right there. To that side. Grab a chain. That's right height. And that looks good to me. I got this. Goes on here. for good measure. Ouch. All right, good enough. It's ugly, but it'll work. All right, now we just got to get our level perfect. Tilt up. Move down. Suck in. All right. Drag lights and we're good to go. Alrighty, we made it. Up goes the daisy. That's gonna do her. We're all done here. If you like the video, like it. If you don't like it, don't like it. I don't care. If you like this kind of stuff, you want to see more of it, subscribe. We got a couple videos on there you can watch, kind of like this. So give them a watch, give them a listen. It's free. Subscribe because it's free. Or don't subscribe, I don't care. But anyway, I love you beautiful people. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.